Hello, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to crochet 3-petal flower. It has beautiful 3D core with nice and pretty picot. Let's make it together. For the work I will use crochet hook 1.75 and crochet yarn 50 grams, 227 meters. Make a magic ring, make it across. Rub the hook, put it under, rub the yarn, bring it up, secure it with one chain. Now remove your finger and work into this ring. Make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now you can tie the ring and make slip stitch into the chain to join. Slip stitch. Now next row number 2 we will work in front loops only. Starting from the first loop we will make single crochet. See, I insert the hook under one loop only, under the front, and make single crochet 1 and 2. Now make 3 chain picot. 1, 2, 3 chain. Insert the hook under these 2 loops. Rub the yarn. Work through everything, making slip stitch. Picot is ready. Again, make 2 single crochet in front loops only. 1, 2, and 3 chain picot. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook under these 2 loops and make slip stitch. Ready. Continue the same way till the end. 2 single crochet in front loops, 3 chain picot, all the way till the end. I am almost done. I made last 3 chain picot. Now I need to join it. Ready. Later we will tie this ring a little bit closer. 1 or 2 slip stitches to get between the picot. I made 1, it's gonna be enough. Now we will make 3 arches. Chain 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ready. Yarn over 2 times, insert the hook into the single crochet between picots. Oh, I'm sorry, I prefer the second one, and make treble crochet. This is the first arch. Next arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, treble crochet into the next space. You can make it closer to this, or you can insert into this one. In last arch, make chain 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and make slip stitch between the next 3 chain picot closer to the next one. Slip stitch. Ready. Next row, row number 4, turn our work, make 1 chain to bring up the yarn, and now we will work under these arches. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, this is 1, this is 2 and 3. Now make 3 treble crochet, 2 times yarn over, insert the hook and work through 2 till the end. 1, this is 2 and 3. Half of our petal is ready. Now make 3 chain picot, 1, 2, 3 chain, insert the hook under these 2 loops and make slip stitch. Ready. Continue the same arch in reverse way. 3 treble crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now make 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Ready. The first arch is ready. Continue the same way. 1 single, 1 half double, 3 double, 3 treble, 3 chain picot, and continue. 3 treble, 3 double, 1/2 double and single, and the third one. I finished row number 4. Now I need to make last slip stitch into the same arch to complete it, and make 1 chain to bring up the yarn and to get onto this core, and we will work under these loops. So far it will be front loops, but remember we were working on the front loops of this row, and we have rest of the back loops. This one you can remove it onto the other side. It's not gonna be on our way. And insert the hook under this rest loop of this core and make slip stitch, 1 chain, insert the hook into the next loop. You can fold the flower for you to better to see. Slip stitch, 1 chain, slip stitch, 1 chain, continue till the end. And almost ready. And the last slip stitch. Now we can cut the yarn. Pull it up and hide all the tails onto the wrong side. And we can tie this ring a little bit more. All done. That's how it look like from the same yarn and from the thicker one, 50 grams, 200 meters. And here's the wrong side. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave your likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.